Hey you guys, it's Thrifty Virgo Lefty again, and today I want to talk about another step, which I guess you could say is my third step because I already did 1 and 2. Go check them out. So after you complete the second step, the third step, you want to go in again and look at everything on those credit reports that you've already received, because some can be mailed to you and sometimes, well, you have the option to print them as well. That way you can lay everything out in front of you and see what's on each one. Now, depending on what they are, um, if it's accurate, if it's not accurate, then I would recommend you to dispute it. Okay? And a lot of times people do online disputing, but most of the people that I've come across have recommended that people do disputing by mail. I want to dive into that a little bit more, so this video might be a little longer. I want to say that, first of all, this is what you have to realize. They bear the responsibility to prove that you actually owe the debt. I'm going to say it again. You don't have to prove that you don't owe it. They have to prove that you actually owe it, okay? So when I say if it's inaccurate, normally what they do before it's placed on your credit, a letter will come to you. You have 30 days to respond to that letter to either validate or, say, no, it's not mine. And also, it's a certain format that it's a paper that people use. It's out there online. You can Google it. And it's their way of basically saying, I don't owe this debt. The only way I want you to contact me is via phone or whatever. Via mail, because people will start calling you if they're able to skip trace you and find your number. So with that documentation, if you do not respond within those 30 days, they've done all they need to do. And basically, they're going to move forward with putting it on your credit. That's what a lot of people, that first 30-day mark is essential. You have to respond to it. And again, it's different templates out there. I did get one from somebody. I'm going to try to see if I can link it. I did get it from somebody, and I've used it before. So, yeah. That's a way to dispute it. And again, a lot of people like to dispute online, but that first 30 days is very important. Okay? I'll see you guys back on my next video.